Are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart? Does your memory stay? Do I wait till sunny day when I kiss you and call you sweetheart? Do the tears in your power seem empty and bare? Do you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there? Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? I wonder if you're lonesome tonight. You know, someone said that the world is stage and each must play a part. Page had me playing in love. You was my sweetheart. Act one was when I met. I love you at first glance. You read your lines so clearly and never missed you. Then came up to your skin. The change in your upstrength. And why I never know, honey, you liked when you said you love me. And I had no cause to doubt you. But I'd rather go on hearing your lies than go on living without you. Now the stage is bare, and I'm standing there with emptiness all around. And if you won't come back to me, then make them bring the curtain down. Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome